Hello dear student, today we are going to start unit first of cyber security, that is introduction to cybercrime. This is the unit first syllabus. In unit 1 we are going to discuss introduction to cybercrime. In that we will discuss introduction of cybercrime, cybercrime definition and origins of the word, cybercrime and information security, who are the cyber criminals, classification of cyber crimes, cyber offenses, how criminal plan them, introduction regarding how the criminal plan the cyber offenses or cybercrime activity, how criminal plan for the attacks. In social engineering, we are going to discuss cyber stalking, cyber cafe and cybercrime, botnets, the fuel for cybercrime, the attack vector, and cloud computing. So, these are the things which we are going to discuss in unit first. First topic is introduction to cybercrime. In that, we are going to discuss the definition and origin of the word, that is cybercrime. Okay, what is crime? Crime is nothing but an illegal activity. Okay, and what is cyber? The cyber is the cyber word is related to the cyberspaces. In that cyberspaces, all the electronic devices, smart devices that are smartphone, tablets, computers, any smart gadget come under the category of cyber spaces. Now, what is cybercrime? Any crime which is to be performed with the help of these cyberspaces, that crime which is to be come under the category of cybercrime. This cybercrime involves criminal activity such as fraud, theft, forgery, and defamation that are subject to the Indian Penal Code. The cybercrime in which the computer which is to be used as target or object or both. The following are the two categories of cyber laws, that are computer as a target and computer as a weapon. Now, cyber crime. Any crime, as we already discussed, any crime which is to be performed with the help of computer and telecommunication technology, which is to be come under the category of cyber crime. Cyber crime is also called as e-crime. Okay. Any crime where either the computer which is to be used as a object or subject, that can come under the category of cybercrime. The categories of cybercrimes are cybercrime against person, cybercrime against property, and cybercrime against government. We will discuss one by one. Cybercrime against a person. Okay, what is these things? Here the hacker or illegal user try to steal or try to hack the individual person's identity, or try to hack his or her information. This come under the category of cybercrime against a person, that is cyber stalking, impersonation, loss of privacy, transmission of obscene material, and harassment with the use of computer. Okay, here the hacker on unknown user, okay, unknown user try to harass that individual person with the help of smartphones, electronic gadgets. Cybercrime against the property. Here the hacker or unauthorized user try to access victims property. Okay, here the property concern regarding to the resources of that individual persons. Okay, here unauthorized computer trespassing, computer vandalism, transmission of harmful programs, Okay, what we can say that transmission of viruses on the property of any organization or any person's PCs or laptops, siphoning of fund from financial institution, stealing secret information and data, and copyright, which comes under the category of cybercrime against property. Last, cybercrime against government. Here, the hacker or unauthorized user try to access government data. Okay, here what we can say that hacker try to hack the government website and he try to publish the unwanted material on that website. Okay, so this come under the category of cybercrime against government. So, hacking of government websites, cyber extortion, cyber terrorism, and computer viruses. So, these are the three categories of cybercrime, that is, cybercrime against person, cybercrime against property, and cybercrime against government. Some other crimes are logic bombs, spamming, virus worms and Trojan horse, email bombing, email abuse. So these are the comes under the category of cyber crime. Okay, thank you so much.